Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy chicken stew. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, like 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs and a variety of hearty vegetables. Next, we'll prepare these ingredients, ensuring everything is chopped and ready. Finally, we'll begin the cooking process in a large pot, building layers of delicious flavor for a comforting meal. Now, let's build some incredible flavor. First, sear your chicken thighs in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are beautifully golden brown on all sides. This step adds a rich depth to the stew. Then, remove the chicken and sauté your aromatic vegetables, such as onions, carrots, and celery, for about 5 minutes until softened. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of chicken broth, capturing all those delicious brown bits. It's time to bring everything together for a perfect simmer. Return the seared chicken to the pot, then pour in 4 cups of rich chicken broth. Next, add 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste for a robust base. Bring the stew to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the chicken is wonderfully tender and cooked through. For the perfect consistency, we'll add some finishing touches. If you prefer a thicker stew, create a slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and an equal amount of cold water, then stir it in. During the last 5 minutes of simmering, add 1 cup of frozen peas for a pop of color and freshness. Finally, season your delicious chicken stew with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley to taste. Serve warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.